has become famous because of mainly open source. The strongest kernel ever seen was founded by in Unix kernels, and that was well developed by into a Linux platform, and which made a powerful kernel into an open source systems. And this open source kernel has been modified into various platforms like iOS, Macintosh, and also Android platform, which have been recently seen in case of Linux kernel. Now we are going to see Ubuntu 4 OS, and it is not officially renamed as anything. It is a draft name like Ubuntu 4 OS, designed for mobile phones and smartphone technology. When we go to next, what's the mission for Ubuntu 4 OS? One platform for all devices. When you look at your smartphones and anything else, your phone is always a phone, and phone cannot be transformed into a PC. What a PC can do and phone can do. Phone can do only for network activity and instant calls and wireless communications and mobilities. Whereas PC has full customized flexibility for internet connections and mails and wide range of screens and applications to run, and developer also. You can develop apps from your phone itself right now with Ubuntu 4 OS. Your phone is no more a phone, it's a PC right now. And it has designed to outpace its rivals. Rivals are made especially from iOS, Mac companies, and there's Android, Nokia, Symbian, and Windows 8 can compete to outpace these ones. User-friendly ecosystem. User is ridiculous in that there's a notification area and everything, warning messages, error messages, bugs, reports, send or don't send, report to Microsoft, report to Apple. The user is fed up with these reports. Whereas in Ubuntu 4 OS, there is every each and detailed bug report which has been specific, one-line specification, and user can do for that. Ubuntu 4 OS maintains a system log in the kernel itself, which makes it next version upgrade systems easier. Phone, it is a PC as I said, and wide access to technologies. When a phone can develop applications from your phone itself, it has a wide range of technologies to utilize IDEs, integrated system development environments, and plugins. You can access all these from your phone itself. Coming to next, what's Ubuntu? Mobile platform developed by Canonical Limited. A similar user experience as Ubuntu Desktop. When you see as Ubuntu Desktop, it's a fast and fluidic search, its directories, everything well systemized and crystal clear UI. And it is also the same in Ubuntu 4. And coming to it, it has recently launched in official declaration was on January 2nd, 2013, and development preview was given on February 21st. Canonical Limited is UK's based company from South African entrepreneur, Mark Shuttleworth in 1995 founded this company. Licenses for this Ubuntu 4 OS were given from many other softwares like EPL, geoprogramming languages, and other softwares. Licenses play a critical role in giving patents and also validation your applications and softwares. When coming to this, Ubuntu 4 OS is also open source for developers and also many apps plugins. You can also create your own app for Ubuntu 4 OS as well. Let's go to the next one. Design. When you see, our system would usually support an ARM Cortex processor and also a RAM of 1 GB. We have earlier 256 and 512 MBs also. And now it applies of 1 GB RAM also, and many other hard disks and memories. And the same, when you look at your phone smartphone, it also supports ARM Cortex processor and also has a 1 GB or something RAM, and also solid state hard disks. When a phone has this hardware specification same as a PC, why can't a phone become a PC? That's the same thing when an Ubuntu entry-level phone acts as a PC. It supports the Cortex processor and also minimum RAM of 512 MB to 1 GB in an entry level of Ubuntu phone. And whereas a higher phone, it can be compiled as a virtual high-performance PC or a laptop. Quad-core processor to Intel Atom and provides a RAM of from minimum 1 GB. With an extremely high-end Ubuntu 4 OS. It also has the desktop convergence systems with the high. When we speak about kernel, Linux kernel has many modules like microkernel, which has multiple layers of abstractions. Whereas this monolithic kernel has only single layer of abstraction, which makes the user too easy to understand what's going on in the kernel. The yellow space which you can see over there is a user area, and the red space you can see is a kernel element, and the bottom is your hardware as well. When you look at from the upper layer, user can understand what's going in the kernel. From the developer's point of view, it's so easy to understand in the kernel codes. First layer in the kernel is VFS, virtual file system, and also system calls. When a user clicks on a button or any other method, the system calls will be generated in the first layer of the kernel. The next coming to the IPC and file systems. File systems and AFS FAT22 will be supported as well. IPC, interperformance communications, is also multi-layered and multi-language and multi-tasking programs. Scheduler and virtual memory. In operating systems concepts, we have heard about non-operating concepts and scheduling algorithms. Scheduler takes all these responsibilities with it. Virtual memory. Ubuntu 4 OS gives us a fast and rapid response for our inputs. This is what when virtual memory is in the kernel. Virtual memory maps all the addresses of the available information to the hard disks. This virtual memory will get access when calculator the system is called. That means it acts as a buffer. When continuously and device drivers, it's also basic for any other kernels, even though in Windows or iOS or any other. Mobile phone is a network connectivity. It's a GPRS connectivity in the network. It's a supports CSM architecture, global system and also 3G, which has been newly awarded. Upcoming technologies will be also enhanced and made 4G network. Wi-Fi GSM. Is it only GSM or 3G? No, only GSM. And looking at the end of the year. And edge connectivity, I don't know how many of you know about edge connectivity. When you open your GPRS connection from your Nokia or any other mobile, you can see the icon over there in the top one. That's edge connectivity. That's the entry level of this internet connection, the low level. It can transfer rates up to 75 kbps to 375 kbps.
Does this support 4G technology?
When it is released, they can release updates.
And
they ask okay. Performance is the main thing which attracts the user and also makes his interest towards using this platform. Crisp, clean, and efficient coding for apps. We can avoid all the complexity in the apps. Static can be taken over by virtual methods, and virtual methods can be taken over by interfaces. And this coding can be minimized to the maximum level. Coming to this home screen. Ubuntu 4 OS is a home screen of a unique feature called it has no lock screen or anything else. The home screen is the one which gives us all the detailed information which you needed in the notification area. Apps at native speeds. When you see, when an app is developed in Java, it needs Java virtual machine to run it. But when an app is developed at a native level, it needs only kernel to run it. So memory management will be done by only directly kernel. Whereas in Java takes the JVM takes it to the kernel, and then it goes into execution. When we compare these two speeds of Java application and also native application, native always goes ahead of Java. An indication with high-end devices. Your phone can be used as a computer, as I said. A phone when docked into a computer, you will get the phone in a big screen in your desktop. You can use a keyboard and type your messages and save it as a draft. Remove your phone or go in a car or anything else, you can see the same draft on your phone integration with all devices. Resolution is the best view. When you plug in your phone or images in your phone, you will probably have a notification area with a battery, time or anything else. In the bottom you have a control, right side the zoom in or zoom out and everything else. This features in that screen makes it answer. The user can get a good preview of the picture, but in this one, you get a complete picture where the controls will be hidden. When you want to use the controls, just tap on it, there you go, controls are available. Releases. Canonical has just launched this developer preview. And looking at in October 2013, they would launch the first mobile phone and put it into the markets. And slowly they'll distribute marketing regional ones. Our market was this. We have any other rivals like iOS and also Android. The overcoming a genuine Android has a voice recognition system which can be integrated in this also. And Android application which is developed only in Android devices is also supported in this Ubuntu OS. All it needs is a package manager panel.
power.
Power comes 6 to 7 slides.
6 slides.
6 slides.
Power bank.
Laptop battery charging chain chain